Hey everyone, how are you doing? I decided that I brought over some boxes that I have of some cards that I had before I restarted collecting again just this past month ago, and these are from years past, and I would just like to showcase off some of the cards that I've collected over the years and decided to keep. So I'm a huge Kentucky Wildcats fan, so for example, here's a card of Tony Delk, Dan Marino, Marshall Faulk, horse cards of Alonzo. There's a Grant Hill, Scottie Pippen, Shaq's rookie. I pulled this out of the pack a long time ago. It was my favorite Upper Deck pack that I ever pulled. I pulled out a Michael Jordan special card and a couple other special cards out of one pack, including that rookie. Larry Johnson rookie, Sean Kemp rookie. Yep, John Elway. Took me a second there. Alonzo rookies. Okay, alright. Trust us. Larry Bird there. Yao Ming, that was Yao Ming. Oh, there's Anthony Hardaway. Frank Thomas. Okay, I had gotten this in a 112 card lot of just Alonzo Mourning cards. I bought this several years ago, and I actually got it really cheap after I paid for shipping and insurance. It came out to being about 12 to 10 cents per card. And this baby back then booked only for I believe 15 bucks, and now it books for 50. So yeah, I basically just gave 12 cents for this card, so that was pretty sweet. I am a fan of Alonzo. I also got this in that box as well. Oh, I love these player grades of the game. I pulled some really, really sweet cards, and I got these from that one guy that I said that I get good boxes of. I got one more common autographs out of it, Hakeem Olajuwon, but still sweet old school player I like. Then I pulled a Jerry West, which is really, really nice. If I can remember correctly, he's a great basketball player, but I believe, if I can remember correctly, from what my father told me, he was also a really great coach. So, yeah, that's awesome. More Alonzo's. Here's an embarrassing moment. When I was in middle school, I traded a bunch of Kobe Bryant rookies for Allen Iversons from some of my friends because they say, Allen Iverson's going to be bigger than Kobe Bryant, but I didn't fully trust them, and I should have knew that they were tricking me, and this is the only Kobe Bryant rookie I have, but it said at the same price for year after year after year, and it started slightly going up, and it was still the coolest looking card I had. It might not have been the most expensive one I had, but I still like it. I love the smile he's got on his face there. I got this in my Franklin coin shop for just $1. Tony Delk's autograph. More Alonzo. Oh, that one already. Okay. More Alonzo once again. And also I had just like I said, I got several Alonzos in there. Uh, going through the, oh boy, that's just working out great. Okay, just with my left hand button. Okay. Well, that kind of gives you an idea of the Alonzos anyway. Okay. Yep. Also, I was a huge fan of the Raptors. That's David Stoudemire. Antoine Walker. You know, he was from Kentucky or played for Kentucky. Let's see. So I did have some of those kind of mixed in there. Oh, always thought that was a look in Lonzo. Okay, let's see what else is. Got my other stuff hidden all the way in there. Uh, Stephon Marbury rookie. Okay. Grant Hill rookie. Some dude named Michael Jordan. I got quite a few of these here and there. Um, let's see. Grant Hill, Tim Duncan. Oh, it's not those. Jordan Bird, Jordan, Magic Johnson, the McDonald's Michael Jordan that you got, the packs and stuff. Oh, Reggie Miller. Yep, probably the one of the greatest three-point shooters of all time. Oh, Will Chamberlain. I love these play breaks of the game. They're really cool looking cards. Huh. In case you all know, since you know Bobby Knight from playing or being a coach, but you know he also played for Ohio State. In case anybody out there did not know that, floor that Marcus Camby stepped on, uh, piece of basketball Bobby Knight. Um, I guess it's one of the game used basketballs. Let's see. That's Carter. Marquise Johnson. Okay. Antoine Walker. That's one there. Um, that's Carter. Okay. And that's basically just an idea of what I've had over the years. And I hope you guys, you know, enjoyed looking at that. I know I didn't show every card, but just hope that you thought it was pretty cool. And you know, I'm into the old school players, and so that's just an idea of kind of what I collected back then, and some of the mistakes I made, you know, with trading the Kobe's to get Allen Iverson and all that. So hopefully I'll be more careful, you know, in the future when doing that. So, well, I'm going to sign out and say peace.